Okay, good morning again to everybody. We are gathered here to witness and celebrate the marriage of these couples and ask God to bless them so they may be strengthened in their life together. We are called to rejoice in their happiness. Okay, is there anybody here who knows of impediment to the marriage about to be contracted with these couples? At ako montrato yung wedding ako? No one, let us continue. Very good. Nandun ka na tuwan. Aldrin Kin Julian. Magharap kayo. Baka may kamay niya. Yeah, very good. Oh, Julian, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your husband-to-be? Yeah, very good. Aldrin, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your wife-to-be? Very good. You take upon yourselves the duties of the marriage of your own free will and voluntary deed? Yes. Sige. Aldrin, will you have Julian to be your wife, to live together in marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to her as you both shall live? Very good. Julian, will you keep Aldrin to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live? Very good. Sige, sing-sing, alaan mo, Aldrin. Oh, follow after me. Baga. Muna ka na. Okay. Okay. I give you, sabihin mo sasabihin ko I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Sige, suot ko. Sunod lang. Follow after me. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. So, on. Okay, o sige. Sumango kayo kayo ni Tang. Tang, namit tayo yung ay. Sige, atin kayo. Tayo, dali kayo kasal. O, bagay mo Tang. Iwasan yung pinapa. Sige. Adyan ang Tang. O sige, next. Ito na, namit tayo yung get kasal. Pinwish.
Tayo po yung dalawa. Magtiwala sa isa't isa. Saka huwag kayong matutulog na hindi naayos ang inyong away. Pag nag-away kayo, huwag kayong matutulog na hindi nyo naayos. Ayun lang. Sana kung may problema kayo, walang lihim. Dapat open kayo sa isa't isa. Through open communication kasi, doon nagtatagal ang pagsasama ng mag-asawa. Yun lang.
Thank you.
Salamat.
Harap kayo sa likod naman sa mga ninong-ninang. Paktaan tayo.
Ninong.
Hindi kasal.
Kabsa.
Okay, people na.
Manino. Advice niyo ka, no?
advice ko lang sa inyo, magmahalan kayong dalawa. Kung may problema, total, dito naman kami, handa ka dito mulong kung anong problema. Yun na.
Sa akin na hindi ko. Ano na? Ayusin yung problema. Kaya sa akin kung may problema, hindi mo kaya ayusin. Hindi masira yung pagkasama niyo. Talagang mag-asama.
Bilang kuya, sana kung ano problema nyo, sabihin nyo rin sa akin kung may tutulong kami. Kung ano may magpapayo ng buhay, kung ano may tutulong namin, para okay, nag-aaway lang ha. Mukhang papag-usapan yung mabuti. Gawin yung inspirasyon yung anak mo lagi.
Kita.
Okay, o sige, dito na kayo sa harapan. Hawakan mo yung kamay na yan. Dalawang kamay. O, ikaw naman na Julian, ano naman promise mo, vows mo kay Alden as a wife. Sabihin mo na para ka.
Promise ko sa'yo, asawa ko. Hindi kita uuwi.
Okay. Sige, Aldrin, ano naman promise mo? Vows mo sa iyong mapapangasawa.
Ang promise ko, try my best na hindi ka na managis mo. Kung sakaling nahihirapan ka man sa lahat, dito lang ako. Sandalan mo, hindi mo tayo.
Sige, hawakan mo rin kamay. O, follow after me, Aldrin. I hereby take you,
I hereby take
Julian,
Julian
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
to have
to have
and to hold,
and to hold,
and to be one of heart,
to be one of heart,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection
and one affection.
from this day forward,
From this day
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer or for
poorer, in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love
to love
and to cherish,
and to cherish,
until we be parted by death.
until
Be parted by death. This is my solemn vow.
This
This is my
soul
solemn
and vow.
Okay. Julian, and then follow after me. I hereby take you, Aldrin,
I hereby take you
to be my husband,
to be my husband.
to have and to hold, to be one of heart, one of heart, one soul, and one affection from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, until we departed by death. We departed by death. By death. This is
This is
my solemn vow.
my solemn
Okay. Sige, hawakan mo na kami na. By the virtues of the powers vested in me, by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, calling all those present here as your witness, I, Benjamin Loren Quaresma III, Municipal Mayor of Pampanga, Vizcaya, therefore pronounce you newly wedded, lawfully wedded, husband and wife. Oh, okay, winning now, please. Nag-picture ka na siya. Sige, picture. First kiss. Dito na po tayo. Bagay yung rose couple.
Tagalan niyo.
Okay? Sige. Nagiging ng ako, witness man ito isango, tapos makita yung pirmada. Napaperte sa mga kada. Congratulations. Congratulations. Okay. Picture tape dito ako. Yeah.
Wait, kasama si baby.
Sige, okay.
1, 2, 3. 4.
Okay? Oh, parents only, parents. Baby. The baby, sige. Family members.
Oh, with the baby. Kasama na family niya eh. Oh, kasi doon ngayon. Since mo na kami, pwede mo na kami. Anak mo na rin sa anak ko na rin dito.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3.
Anong kayo dalawa naman the baby? Ay ba niya man? Baby! Tingin sa camera! Yun, o, diba? Ganda, ganda. Yun.